Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys to review it. So as you can see, this is really cool, very nice size bird feeder. It's not huge, not too small. It has a camera. You can see whenever the birds come here, the application gives you notification. You can open and look through, and you can also record. It has recording option to the SD card. So very cool unit. As you can see, it has nice large area for the birds to stay here, and it has nice opening here, and you can see what is the level of the food left inside, and it is super easy to just refill. All you have to do is just pull this out. You can see it just opens up nice and easy, and this is how you just refill, and it goes on both sides, so that is pretty cool. And on the back here we have camera, so you can remove this entire camera unit out. It just, you can see there is this button, you just slide it out in case you need to like charge it at home. If you don't have enough sunshine, you can just take it inside and charge it. So it comes with this solar panel, and it has a pretty long cable that if you need to extend somewhere, but in my case I just installed it on this pole, and installation is super easy. Within like 2 minutes you are basically done. You just put two screws for the actual mount, and for the solar panel I just placed one screw over there, and that's pretty much it. Overall, really nice bird feeder. It has an application, as I mentioned. You can download the application, and once the birds come here, it detects any motion. It will just give you notification if you enable it, and then it also records. You have SD card, it will record to SD card, and you can watch, you can download to your phone. So that is pretty cool. The image quality is pretty good for the price point of this, so it will just give you good image. So overall, really nice unit. And I just want to mention, you can see there is opening on the like feeder section. In case rain comes, it usually covers a good amount of the portion of the area, but in case water comes, it will just drain from the bottom. There won't be any water piling up, so that is pretty cool. And this is how it looks. On the top you have nice small star. There are some other accessories I didn't use. You can just place, and you can put some fruit, apple, and some other stuff, but I didn't choose to do that. So but you can do that. It comes with, and also it comes with this securing rope. In case you want to secure around a tree or something like that, you can just navigate this through around the bracket here, and you can use this. But in my case, I didn't need to use that. So overall, really cool unit. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.